am Tejaswa from Raleigh. Studying for past 3 years in Raleigh. This institute was very good and I so improved. Before I joining in this institute, I got 5 marks in 5 subjects. After joining in this institute, I got 80 and 90 percentage in 5 subjects. The various teachers were teaching to us. The maths and science were teaching extremely and I tried to get centum in maths and science. In this institute, the worksheets are given to us. The experienced teachers were teaching to us, and a weekly conducting test to us, and taking concept teachings are going on.